The Utrean Central Bank shall maintain the UCBIR interest rate at 0.85%, making no changes to the interest rate in the month of December. As of the November 27th calculation, Utrean has experienced a slight further deceleration in the inflation rate, with CPI inflation estimated to have slightly fallen from 3.87% in October. Excess supply is estimated to be around the same levels which were seen in October. It should be noted that any minor increase in excess supply in certain grocery products is likely temporary and is as a result of some of the last of the lingering supplies from increased imports, which occurred in September, October, and November in anticipation of several holidays and other major national events. Some of those holidays and events were Empire and Constitution Day and the Utrean Empire's October 2024 general election, among many other holidays and events beginning September onwards. It should also be noted that some grocery products are estimated to have seen reductions in their levels of excess supply in November. Additionally, the Utrean Central Market saw slightly increased sales in November, and sales remain moderately above the sales target. The Utrean Central Bank has determined that conditions still do not warrant monetary policy easing. However, as inflation continues to remain higher than earlier this year and demand continues to remain strong, it appears that excess supply is returning to more balanced levels and that monetary policy easing could be seen very soon. As a result, the Utrean Central Bank shall leave interest rates unchanged at 0.85% in December. In November, Utrean's GDP is estimated to have grown at the fastest pace since around June. It is estimated that the current levels of demand will continue to reduce excess supply and stabilize the levels of supply and demand. We have continued to make significant progress in reducing the high levels of excess supply seen earlier this year to much lower and increasingly stable levels now, and we have maintained strong and consistent consumer demand. We are fully committed to returning excess supply to moderate levels. Additionally, the Utrean Central Bank shall continue its current policy of extremely small scales of quantitative tightening. It is still expected that when excess supply returns back to normal levels, that the Utrean Central Bank will aim for a neutral rate of interest of around 0.5%. Lastly, the Utrean Central Bank will not rule out future rate hikes if conditions warrant such. Thank you for listening to this press release.